All right, guys, round 3 down here. Said we're down on the 29th day of December 2023. We're into October of 2024. Kind of excursion day. The Fish Creek Preserve in Maplewood. I always said I thought it was Woodbury, but I was wrong. And like I said in the last couple videos, cut this up, cut it off, make it more easier accessible. And you could, the impediments, that's not bad, but down there just kind of cut up a little bit, make sure the water flows a little easier. You can tell they've had things come down, but I don't know. It's all about somebody asking if you could do it first and then come down and take care of it. And say, hey, I'll take care of this stuff, I'll make it, and I'll pick all the rocks up, get them on the path, put some railings in so people can walk and enjoy the place. You know, probably have some garbage cans along the way, a couple here and there. You know, I'll come in, empty out the garbages as needed. That way there's no trash. I don't see any, but point is they can bring their water bottles and they can, you know. See, this right here is kind of a danger right here. This one you want to cut down because you don't know. This one they should cut off because you don't want someone getting hurt. So chainsaw that stuff off and cut the up to there, cut that off. Move this out of the way, cut that up, cut this up. Just make it easy to get by. Chainsaw it, chainsaw it, chainsaw it, and just move all this stuff all the way. Make it flow. So you don't want that to fall off on somebody. But I mean, I guess it's not a real big deal, but that can be taken care of. A lot of rocks. This is pretty cool. If I cut some of that, that's just kind of a cool look. I like that icicle. That was kind of cool. That was pretty cool how the icicle was. That was kind of cool. But you know it's slippery down here in winter time. It's fun to come down here. See here, you just kind of, I don't know, cut this off right here, just to make sure. Right there, you're fine. Everything else is good. Just cut this off too. Make sure it's, because that thing could come down, so you probably want to cut as much as you can to get rid of that thing. Cut it off. One thing about this cool weather, the camera doesn't heat up so bad, and I can get more videos out of it. I got all 4 batteries with me today, so and I got the DJI when I do my rail fanning. I can do that too as well. So yeah, it's a very interesting, cool place to come down to and enjoy yourself. Come on down here and just check everything out, you know, what it's all about. So. When I was down in the last video, you can kind of see how everything's green. I guarantee it in the fall, with all the trees, colors, I guarantee it's gorgeous. I can tell. I'm the only guy down here. See up here you got another, you know, impediment. Just cut it. I mean, you probably, I mean, that's not a big deal. But this is just cut it off, make it easier to get over it. Yep. Coming on down here. Kind of a difficult spot to get across down here. You kind of, you don't want to go down here. That's not going to work down there. Kind of tougher. Maybe we got to go over here. We'll go across over here. You could cut this across. Oh, I don't know about that. Oh, I don't know. Oh. Oh. I'll hurt myself again here. Oh. Kind of jump across here, I guess. Over here, more of an easier spot to jump across. I'm trying to get across there. Shall we? Without killing myself. There we go. There we go. Ooh. You kind of see. Not an easy walk, but it is what it is. Where it ends, it ends up back over there somewhere, so that way. But so yeah. But anyways, come down here and walk around. Check the place out. It is what it is. Got a bunch of firewood here. It's just cool down here. It's just coolest place down here. But people have camped down here. You can kind of tell as well. So made fires. So. Anyways, that concludes the version of the winter and fall down here. Beautiful spot down here. Try to get across. That was the easiest place last I was down to get across. It's up. Last time I was down here, I was able to jump right across. I don't feel like falling on my ass. So, not too much trash down here. But there are other probably ways you can get across a little quicker. I don't feel like getting my feet wet, so. Anyways, you guys, so. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.